Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your retirement with Fidelity Investments, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all necessary documents, including bank statements, investment portfolios, and retirement accounts. Determine how much you currently have saved for retirement. Calculate your expected expenses during retirement. Estimate your desired lifestyle and any additional costs you might incur. Create a retirement savings goal based on your findings. Next, explore the retirement accounts offered by Fidelity Investments. Consider opening an individual retirement account, or IRA, if you haven't already. Evaluate whether a traditional IRA or Roth IRA best suits your financial situation. Fidelity also offers 401k plans if you're still in the workforce. If you have access to an employer-sponsored plan, enroll as soon as possible. Review your investment options available within these accounts. Fidelity provides a range of mutual funds, ETFs, and stock options. Choose a diversified investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance. Regularly assess your investment portfolio to ensure it meets your retirement goals. Consider working with a Fidelity financial advisor for personalized guidance. Create a plan for automatic contributions to your retirement accounts. Set up monthly deductions from your paycheck or bank account for consistency. Take advantage of any employer matching contributions to maximize your savings. Regularly review your retirement plan as market conditions and personal circumstances change. Adjust your portfolio allocation based on your age and retirement timeline. Start thinking about withdrawal strategies as you approach retirement age. Familiarize yourself with Fidelity's resources and tools for retirement planning. Use their retirement calculator to project your savings growth over time. Stay informed about changes in retirement laws and regulations that may affect you. Plan for healthcare costs, as they may represent a significant portion of your expenses. Finally, always keep learning about retirement strategies and investment options. With these steps, you'll be better positioned to secure a comfortable retirement with Fidelity Investments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.